Okay, so I've set up most of the stuff in the room like I want it, apart from this monstrosity, which I'm not sure what's going to happen with just yet. Like, it's the only place I can put it right now, but it's not really working for me, so I will change that later. I managed this time to get space around the bed because last time, obviously, I actually film on my bed usually, and it was pressed like right up against the wall, and so it was really frustrating, especially to make and things like that. You have to move it all the time. So now the room is just slightly bigger, like basically from the bed to just a little bit. It's got enough room that I can actually walk around. So on this side I've got like my dresser. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it because some of the drawers are empty and I really dislike this, but it is a placeholder. This is like a set of cubes that go like in the wardrobe normally. So that's got everything in here needs to be reviewed. So this is my ever-growing pile of things that companies have sent me and then things that I need to do myself. So that's a lot smaller. I have nice blue sheets at the moment, and then the majority of the other stuff is actually in the wardrobe. So you notice that there's no like display makeup on there. It's because I've had to put it in the wardrobe. So the wardrobe is doing okay. We've got a mirror on one side and the shoe hanging on the other side. I have like dressier heels and bags up the top, and then down the middle we have like the makeup. So we've got the lipstick on top, we've got the decorative stuff down there. I've got one more space to fill. This, I keep putting dirty clothes in it, like not as a washing hamper, but like clothes that I've taken off at night, have been too lazy to put on the hangers, have just been like interim storage in there, so I'm kind of not willing to put anything in it right now. And then in this drawer is the stuff that would have been in my other drawers. So we've got like those were the cheek things. This actually lifts up and there's stuff underneath it as well. So that's mildly working. Same with this one. This one also lifts up too for more stuff. That kind of works, but it's not great. So really it's interim storage until I sort something out, but the rest of the wardrobe is quite good. So I've still got my pastel colours on this side. The shoes are just kind of everywhere right now. Some bag storage here. This rail I've got for skirts and shorts, which is quite cool because I do have quite a lot of that. And then the darker side is, it looks like it's lacking, but it's really just because the wardrobe does go back quite far, and so I pushed all the clothes all the way back. So I know where the space is and to hang the interim hangers like that. So that is how the room is looking so far. I'm thinking that at the moment I'm probably going to have some videos with this positioning. So you're going to see everything that's from here. Now sadly I cannot hang up those lights again because I found out that the rental, because this is obviously is not my house, the rental does not allow any sort of hanging on walls. So no command hooks, no blue tack. Nothing. So like I can't even put like any pictures up or anything, let alone a whole wall of lights. So I'm not sure what's going to happen with that, so you might just get this kind of boring view for a little bit, but I think it's better than, normally I would sit in front of the window, but then you just get nothing. And then I think that, yeah, the camera has a hard time focusing when there's not much to focus on. So I think that would be a little bit more tricky. So I might, although it does look a lot better, maybe I have to get something to put there, like I don't really get a plant or anything like that in here. It's not really my thing. Yeah, I have to finish off a few things in the music room, but I will show you that one afterwards as well. So this is what the music room looks like when it's got some stuff in it. So this is basically where I'm teaching. We've got like a couch for people, piano, drums, there's a guitar around there as well. But mostly I've got like, it's pretty businessy, like books and like accounting stuff. And then there's like a little corner for planners. There's a spare box and things like that. It's really pretty boring. Although I do have a really cute keyboard from a place called Yoyosa. So it's like, I don't even know what the store is, but there's a really cute keyboard and there's a mouse somewhere. I think it's just like tucked under there at the moment, because I've got the planning stuff that I need to do too. It looks pretty cute. The feature wall doesn't look so strange when it's actually got stuff in it. And it actually looks like a proper like little office. The rest of the house is not so tidy. So I've still got to set up the spare room, and I've got to finish setting up my bathroom, and I've got to get this fringe cut because it's like super long. I can't deal with it being in front of my eyes. It's gonna drive me crazy. So that is it for now. I'm hoping to get back to my regular beauty schedule on Friday. So thank you guys so much for watching all of this moving content. I'm sorry if it wasn't the most interesting, but I am thankful that you guys are here still watching. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!